So it will receive one here and the project should start. Okay, so you can see this bulb is glowing.
Let's begin.
Hi, so this is our project prepaid energy meter. So you will send message from one number to this number. Okay, so on this we will receive count here. Okay, so you see 100 balance is now here. So this will increase some count like up to 5, then this balance will be detected like to 80, then 60, then 40, and we have to wait and see the output. Okay, so this till then I will be explaining the things. So I have connected Arduino here, then we have one power hub module, then we have relay module, then we have GSM module 900A we are using here, and this is 200-watt bulb we are using. And then we have energy meter. Energy meter is for taking the reading, real reading of the this output, and we are using LDR on LED we have put, okay, so that we can take real reading. So LDR when goes down, when light falls on it, it will take one reading, and according to that reading we have calibrated it in the code and we are writing here. Okay, so you can see balance is right now 60 and bulb is still glowing, and when it goes to like 0, when it comes down to 0, it will turn off the bulb through this relay. The supply will be cut off. Okay, and this is the code here. Okay, so you can see this is a basic code for GSM. So here we are sending one message. Okay, recharge now, and everything it will be written. So this is the number where we are sending message. Okay, time to send the message. Okay, so we will wait. So now let's see. Here is the count. So for count we will receive low recharge message. Okay, now you see it's a low balance recharge now. Same message it should be received here. Okay, you see we have got the message low balance recharge now, and we have to wait. Now we will see what it will send. Okay, so you see sending message no balance recharge now, and the balance is 0, and this bulb will be off. And here we have got message no balance recharge now. Okay, so same way we will send recharge again. So I am sending number 2, so it will be received here and new balance will be updated. Okay, so this is our system. Okay, you see it's 200 written here. Okay, so it will start recounting.
Yeah, you better listen. I'm bringing heat, you'll be a fan when I start rapping way. I'll have your fucking head spinning. I'm known as spit vicious, release bombs and go tick tick. Boom, you blow me that head missing. I'm a phenomenon, stacking cheese like it's Parmesan. 8 different flows, call me Octomom. I'm moving fast like the Autobahn, and I'm independent, so I'm not your fucking starving like it's Ramadan. Sick, twisted, gifted, can't copy, printed, can't hold me down. I shape shift, I'm liquid. I killed this beat, I might get...
Hello everyone, we are from Zara Technologies, New Delhi, India. We develop research-based software and hardware, projects and products globally. Zara Technologies has the largest collection of projects. On our website, you can get services like unique engineering projects, science projects, MTech PhD thesis guidance, self-learning kits, ready-made projects, hardware components, drone-related services, softwares and simulations, research paper writing and publications in top journals and conferences. We also provide patent-related services. So to upgrade your knowledge, you can join our channel. For more details, please check description. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.